Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I've got a Mercedes Benz A180 2019 model. And I just finished replacing the actual inner wheel arch, front and rear. So you can see there, that's the front inner wheel arch. It's connected to the rear one, which is that one there. See? It's one piece at the rear and one piece at the front, and you join them together. And a lot of plastic, see all that? I had to repair all those plastic there. See the glue there? But some of the mounting was broken. So I took that one out and repaired that one. Repaired that. You see the glue in the middle, the black glue. The black plastic glue there. Otherwise the customer will have to buy another new one of those. So I'm just trying to cut the cost down. There's no need for it. Look underneath here as well. Put up. See here? Got some glue there as well. Yep, and I got some glue underneath there as well, and down there as well. See the black glue there? Here. This one here. This one here. And this one here. This one here. See? This one here. So basically I had to repair a lot of plastic underneath, and I only quoted what I think the customer needs, and the things that I can repair, I just repaired myself. Alright, that's all done now. Ready to be picked up. And the headlight here, there's too much water on the left hand side headlight, causing the light not to work properly. It's full of water. So needs a new left-hand side front multi-beam LED headlights. Alright. Okay, we're going to come into the workshop now. I was outside before. The fuse, I checked the fuse in the engine bay for the headlights. And these fuses here, number 64, 21 and 22, 48 and 49. Sorry, 40 and 48, 40, 48, 21, 22, and 64. Those fuses are part of the headlights control. So I had to check it over. And what I found is fuse 22 was blown, the 20 amp, so I put a 15 amp there for now. Later on, we have to actually change the left-hand side front headlights and then put a 20 amp fuse back into this one here. Alright? But pretty much ready for pickup now, so thanks for watching and please subscribe.